Okay. Let's cut the countdown. Public YouTube. What's up, y'all? How you doing? Happy Friday. Today's Friday, March the 13th, 9:24 a.m. We're here for New York Open. Ready to start trading. I hope that we are all happy, healthy, wealthy. Happy Friday the 13th. We are long and strong right now on the market. Looking to get into a couple of scalps here on Nasdaqistan. I am looking for longs. I'm not interested in shorting. I'm long on Bitcoin until at least 74K, which, don't blink, we're going to be there. And my friends, if you have been following me on X, or you're in the nexus, shouts out to the nexie, then you know, man, you know what's been going on. And I will say this, like, we have been pretty spot on with things as of late. You know, I've been talking about how contextually speaking, lower just doesn't make sense. And I'll give you a quick synopsis on what I think overall, and then we can start hitting some trades and bring on at Trader Jabs, at Trader Jet, and at Trader White Phoenix, because they are in call. And hopefully we'll hit some trades, okay, together. So here's the long story short, okay? We're going to keep it super simple. Lower doesn't make sense, period. Okay? I don't care what the indicators say. I don't care what your favorite YouTuber says. That isn't me. I should be your favorite YouTuber, and you should hit the like for me. Lower doesn't make any sense. Okay? I've been saying it. My fan is loud AF. I'm on a treadmill. Is that the fan you're referring to? If it's... I have waves playing in the background. Is that what you mean? Like, are you referring to that? What are you referring to? Or maybe it is the treadmill. No, I don't think it's the treadmill. Anyway, let me know. If the waves are too loud, then I will shut them up. I will stop water myself. With my bare hands, will stop the water. Anyway. Yeah, bro, turn that shit off. Oh, okay. It is cool. Okay, how about we lower it? I can't hear it, so you guys need to tell me. Is it better now? Okay. So, here's the long story short. Contextually speaking, lower doesn't make any sense, okay? I think that in the general grand scheme of things, March is going to be a green month for crypto, for the ES, for the NQ, okay? And I ultimately think that oil is shortable now. It's in a short zone, which you would think is the inverse, right? Like, everybody is looking to long oil, but oil is a very clear short for me. Very, very clear short. And so what I think is that March is going to be a decently sized move to the upside. Okay, I think that if you're not a scalper, or you're not advanced, or you don't know how to range trade or whatever, I think that it's just, you're safer to long for the rest of March instead of shorting. That's what I think. And I've been saying that, right? I've been saying it vocally on the YouTube channel. I've made a couple videos about it, saying that a short squeeze is coming, and I don't even think we've begun the short squeeze. So my immediate first target is 75, 76K. Well, the range high, 74K. Any pullback we get here on Bitcoin, I'm looking to long it. I actually even said, I don't remember which day it was exactly, but I said that I think the weekly low and the monthly low is in when we were at the exact low. So the Nexus knows. Okay, the Nexus knows. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm thinking. We're going to hop in and try to take a couple trades, but I hope that you guys are all happy, healthy, wealthy. Thank y'all for kicking it with me. New York is either open or about to open. New York's about to open. So let's see if we can get a couple trades here. I am looking to, if I can get a reconfirmation, I'm looking to short oil, and I'm looking to long NQ. I'm already long on NQ. Okay. If I can get a reconfirmation long on Bitcoin as well, I will try to do that. But right now I'm looking to short oil and long NQ. Those are the two tickers I am primarily going to be focused on for today. So we shall see what we see when we see what we see. Okay, let's bring on some of our friendos and let's see if we can hit a couple trades here. I am on my funded account right now. The balance was up to 50.8 and I took a couple bad trades overnight, so now I'm at 50.2, so nothing crazy. I need to get this to 52.1k to be able to get a payout and then eventually go live. I'm hoping that I can get into a live account by, like, I don't know, next month, couple weeks from now, but we'll see how she goes. Okay. And before I bring everybody on, let me just say, not that you guys don't already know, but all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singing off financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real, and the earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. See how clean I say it when I don't speed run it. I don't speed run it. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Happy Friday the 13th. New York is open. Let's get that bread, man. I'm looking for longs. NASDAQ, looking for shorts on oil and looking for longs on Bitcoin. And I'm already long on Ethereum, so there's that too. Okay, let's bring on our friendos. And let's see what we see, baby.
What are they doing?
Okay,
here?
I'm back. We're live on YouTube.
Okay.
What up?
We have Trader Jabs, Trader Jet, Trader White Phoenix in the chat. Who is actually trading right now?
We're all looking.
Okay.
I'm just on my phone right now. I'm at Chick-fil-A.
I hope we can get a nice pullback on NQ here. I want a little bit more. I want to add to my trade. Let's let all the New York shenanigans, happen, and then get in this bit.
Yeah, I prefer to let them fight before I do anything.
This shit might just blast right now, to be honest with you. The Nazi. Give me something. Give me a little pullback.
I feel like they're gonna get that. So I'm looking at Dow Jones and it SFP'd, so they'll probably get at least some kind of retracement.
Let's check Nkizzy. Or ES, I mean. Let's check Stella Ola. Do we have SMT? No. No, we do not.
It's not really in the greatest spot right now, but
Yeah, it kind of sucks. I want the higher low, higher high, but I don't know if we're gonna get it. I don't think we're gonna get it. Even oil's a short, like pretty much right now. Not right now, but it could be right now. Could be like this. Because this is a distro. That's a Model 1 redistribution right there. So that could be a trade. Well, I don't take trades like that. But I think oil is coming down to this low. Easy. Minimum. Minimum here. What is this at? 90.2 or 89.88. I think that's easy. So we have to try to get into that.
they don't know what they want right now.
Yo, bro, do I mind why I'm looking for longs on NQ? Yeah, this is why. Okay, last night in the Nexus, I let them know as well. So here's the deal. Okay, first of all these ugly highs, fine, but forget that for a moment. We're in demand. Okay, we're in a higher time frame. We'll call it support zone. Okay, I don't really do support and resistance. I do supply and demand. So we're in a higher time frame demand zone, and your structure is down, up, down, up, down, up, and break. So you're expecting higher low, higher high, right, from this zone. So if we get a pullback here, I'm looking for that continuation. And I think it could happen from this box that I drew. And the inverse on oil. So oil has a supply zone that we just hit. That's a blow off top on oil. That's a blow off top. Okay. We just hit supply, and we have a distribution going on right here. So I do think oil can come and take the high out again. But since we're in resistance or a supply zone, I would be looking for some pullback to easily this low here. But right now, it's not really in like a good tradable zone, in my opinion. So you're dead center of the range, right? You have range low here, you have range high here, and you're pretty much dead center. So it's not really the best place. So we're getting that pullback. I told the Nexus this morning we could get a scam, dump, and pump. That's good. That's what we want. I'm gonna put my trade stop loss below that demand. And if I get stopped out, we'll go back in. So we're getting the pullback that we wanted. That's good. And then let's see what happens here.
My Bitcoin tab keeps disappearing and it's driving me crazy, bro. Ever since I started trading futures, I swear it just disappears on me. So stupid.
Oh, that might be your long right there. Whose Discord is popping up?
Mine, bro. It's driving me crazy. I got muted. Hold on.
Okay, that could be your fake move right there. I'm not ready to enter yet.
I'm already in.
On Nasdaqistan?
I logged
Oh, ETH?
No, not ETH. Sorry. ES.
Stella?
Stella Ola. Yeah. I'm just doing the full port count challenge.
Fuck it.
I am. Fucking done. This fucking stupid shit, man. I don't have time for this. It's make more money trading crypto than anything. So I just don't have time to be fucking around with evals. You know?
That might be your low now. We'll see. To be honest, the best plan right now is that's your low for the session, and then we just grind up for the rest of the session. That's the best. I think I'm gonna add to my long here.
So what happens if you max CP on your eval? Do they just close it? No. Right?
If you hit max drawdown?
No, if I win like one trade.
No.
I have to close. I have to close it.
Unless you set it up on Tradeovate like I told you.
Yeah, but what if it's a growth account though? Do you know anything about that? Because I can do it one trade, right? So.
And I don't know. No, I still think they don't because I think they let. Because I think it has to go. It's like end of day. Like they don't check your balance until New York closes, so they let you keep trading. That way you have the chance to fuck up.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay, well I'm in 20 micros, so we'll see. Not on 50. I'm only on a 50. So I just need to go up to 6,742 and I'm done. Thank you, Moon, too.
I have no shorts today.
That's a nice SFP on the NQ, isn't it?
Yeah, that looks good. It's kind of gone now though, so I'm gonna just look to refine it.
Yeah.
And now I just moved my stop below that low, so if it
Yeah,
gets hit, like whatever, I'll just get it back in.
Yeah, mine's wide. Like, basically, I'm New York low. Under that is my stop on this one. I'm letting it ride. The thing is, I wrote my entry though, so my entry is like the halfway point, 67.11 now. Oh well. What did Bitcoin do, bro? I can't even open it right now. It won't load.
Bitcoin's doing the same thing. I honestly almost hope that they sweep out this low one more time.
I don't.
And then up. You don't?
I won't survive it on this. Yeah, I won't survive that, bro. Yeah, oh man, Bitcoin's coming into like a very, very good zone. Yep.
Just don't have any shorts here at all. Alright, let's scale in. Okay, now I hope it doesn't come back. We'll give it a little breather. Change the sell stop. See what happens. Best case scenario, we're good for the entire session. And we don't come back and we just hold it up.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
And we can just hang and we can talk and we can grab a coffee and that's it. Let's see what we get here. Man, I've been walking for a hot minute now, and an hour and a half I've been walking for. Yo, once this account gets to like 52,100, which is the whatever word that they call it, I'm gonna start hammering it and like getting proper payouts. So, like I'm trying to go live. No, like once I can get 5 payouts, I go live. Right?
I'm on it.
It's not instant though. Like that's when you're eligible to be taken live. Like when you go live.
Bro, if I don't go to live, like that is if they like okay, what do you mean eligible? What would make me not eligible?
It's literally just up to them. They just look at your trading and then they decide
really?
if they want to put you on a live account or not. Yeah.
Dude, if they don't put me on live, like that is the gayest shit ever. Why would they? Yeah, but if you pass the challenge and then you hit their benchmark, why would they not put you? And you have consistent payouts. Like, why would they not put you on live? If they think you got lucky or something.
Yeah,
them.
That's generally what it is.
It's up to them. But here's the thing: if you
I don't think the way that you trade, I don't think you'd have a problem.
at some point, it's going to be unprofitable for them to not put you on live, so they're going to. But you're eligible to be moved up after 5.
Yeah, it might not just happen like right after 5. It might wait
why
a
is
couple
this sound
more.
garbage? Why is this? What sound is garbage? You gotta let me know so I fix it. Okay, we gotta get off the camera. My legs hurt. Oh, there we go. Okay. Biddy Moon in. ETH Moon in. I'm long on Bitcoin. I'm long on ETH. Kind of an echo. We shouldn't have an echo.
I'm gonna mute myself. Hold on.
It's Phoenix.
Oh
Take
man,
this? Take this, Jabs?
no. I should have though.
All right, let's see if we can add to it. Let's rim C this bitch up.
It's just gonna be another all day bullshit.
No, this is gonna be like a rim C session.
I wanted to long. I mean, I was. I
K-Pizzy's
just,
in. K-Pack is in. Shouts out to K-Piz. K-Peasy. Guys, does this sound better? Are we good now? Listen, we have 83 people in here. We have 21 likes, okay? Every 100 likes. I don't know what is going on with the live streams lately, but every 100 likes, we're giving away Nexus internships, okay? The last stream, we gave away, I think, 3. Right? And in the Nexus, I call for all of this, man. You see all of it. I've been unapologetically bullish. Okay, we're using girl words today. Unapologetically bullish this entire time, saying that lower makes no sense. I also posted it on X. Okay, it's all in the Nexus. It's all documented. It's all there live in real time for you all. Okay, so you get access to this for free for a week. All you got to do is hit the like button, man. That's all you got to do. Just hit the like button. Hit the like button. I post my futures ideas. I post the trades. I post what I'm doing. I post what I'm looking. I post my TA. Look, I got called the king of context today because we've been spot on, man. I haven't really missed, honestly, lately. I haven't really missed, to be honest with you. So every 100 likes, let's get that into a habit. Every 100 likes.
Why would I cause an echo today and not any? I don't understand. Is it still echoing?
I think like I don't hear any echo, so I was like kind of thrown off by that, but you know, echo
Yeah.
kinda. Oh, was that from before? Oh, that was from before. Are we still echoing?
Suppression software on. You know, it's like expensive ass noise suppression software. It shouldn't pick up any noise. I've never had that before, so I don't know. Anyway, I just closed my long because I needed to TP this trade, and now I have like giga risk on this account, so I can just do a one-to-one trade, and I'm done for I pass it immediately.
Okay, sound is okay now. Good. No echo.
I need a 1 hour win, Trader Geo, and I'm done on this account.
Okay. Well, we're gonna rim C this bitch.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the next good entry, and I'm just gonna hammer it, and then I'm done. Cool.
Bro, like
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Those select accounts, yeah, they might have better rules after you pass them, but the growth is so OP.
Wait, what are the? I don't even know the difference. What is different?
Let me explain it. Let me explain it to you. So, the difference is you have like a 35% consistency for your first 5 payouts, which isn't that bad. I mean, like if you're hitting around every day, it shouldn't even be a problem for you at all, right? Like if you set like a limit for how much you're making, no big deal. Here's the thing though, no matter what account you pick, after 5 payouts, you're on the same account anyway, if they move you to live, right? Real live, which they're going to, but when they do, it doesn't matter because it's the same shit, bro. And the benefit of growth versus select, in my opinion anyway, is you have a drawdown that follows you, sure, just like you do in select, but it only follows you end of day. And for example, like you can take I'm just going to use a 50K account for reference. It's the same profit. Actually, it's a 53K profit target. It's the same $2,000 risk. That's not even a 1-to-1 hour trade. Yeah, it's a 1.5 hour win. Like really, that you would need to pass it. And you can pass it in 1 day, no fucking around. So you take the challenge, you can pass it the same day.
Oh, okay.
Like for example, on the account that I just did for example purposes, because I want to have 5 of them, like the max on there. I just took a trade on the initial balance and I made 2% of the 3% that I need. Basically, let's just put it that way.
Okay.
Right. So now that drawdown like doesn't follow me until the day closes. So even if I lose this next trade, it's not going to hurt me. I can still go down to say 48K on the account. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
But I can pass it all at once, no dicking around, no having to do 3 days or whatever.
So why like what's the difference? Like you pay more for that or pay less for that?
No,
Like
same price. Same price.
what?
Yeah, same price. So you have the benefit to the one that you did is you can do daily payouts. But here's my logic, right? If you're gonna do it, why not just like? Does it matter? Like, does it matter if it's daily payouts or not? Because I mean, like realistically, the
No, I'll tell
end
you why it
game
matters. I'll tell you why it does. So I did select because at the end now I just selected the daily one. Like I could have chose the 5 one.
Yeah.
Like once every 5 days. But I'll tell you the difference. The only difference for me, I don't need the money. I don't care. Like I don't care about daily withdrawals, right? But the reason that I chose that is because you can only get on the live account once you have 5 payouts. So if you're doing the one that you did, the one that's like you can get a payout every 5 days, you're gonna have to wait 5 weeks before you can get on the live account. And that's the earliest. That's if you hit your profit every day.
But listen to me though. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying, and I do. And yeah. So here's the thing. It goes by 5 total payouts across. So if you have one account, you hit 1 payout, right? Like let's say tomorrow you withdraw 1,000 on your daily account, right? And then you open with that $1,000, you go and open 2 more accounts, and you do whatever size, doesn't matter, and you pick whatever plan. Okay. If they don't look at them all individually in terms of that 5 payouts, it's 5 as a whole between all of your accounts, and they'll move them all to live.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes.
That is
Okay,
correct.
but then you need to have multiple accounts though.
Yeah, but here's the thing: like if you get moved to live, like if they move you to live before you have your other accounts past evals and paid out for at least 1 payout, they won't let you open accounts later. You're not allowed to. So it's either now or never kind of thing. Before
It
Yeah,
you
does
get
take
but-
longer to get a single payout though on a growth.
yeah, but bro, my end game isn't money now. Like I don't need it now.
My thing is I just want to
No,
be
but
on
I'm
the
just
live.
saying, like, if your goal is to get to live and you need 5 payouts to get moved there, you can
Yeah,
get 5
yeah,
payouts in a week on a select.
I'm gonna
It's going to take you 25 days to get 5 payouts on.
It is, but here's
a
the
growth.
thing: I'm not doing growth with every one though. I'm going to have 2 growths and then 3 selects. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah.
I just wanted because I know it was Friday. I said, "Fuck it, I'm not. I just want 1 to pass today, and Monday I'll do selects." Do you know what I mean? Because I have like the full week to do it. Like I can do Monday,
That's
Tuesday,
right.
Wednesday, pass. Boom, done. I'm glad I TP'd right there, bro. I literally top ticked that TP. Thank God.
Man, I would rather. I still think like Apex is
Here we go.
Bro, listen though, like it's the same.
They're not as
like,
bad as I know. They're not that bad, bro. They're not that bad. I looked into them more last
man,
night.
it's
They're
so
not
cheap, bro. It's so.
Well,
it's
no,
so-
they changed the rules, so they're not nearly as bad as what they used to be. They like rebranded, changed the rules, like did a whole thing.
The only thing I don't like about them, and I have to confirm it still because Dom told me. Oh, sorry. Yeah, he told me that it's not. I'm not correct, but I don't know. I was reading their FAQ last night because I was going to buy 20 of them and copy trade them all together, right? And because why not? You know? And the thing is, like, they only pay every fucking every 2 weeks, I think. And I was like, what? Every 2 weeks? Like, you can only submit payout requests like on the 5th to 9th or something, and then like the end of the month. So I was like, that's kind of silly. But I mean, I guess it doesn't matter if you're doing bigger amounts, but yeah, I mean that's
Bro,
kind of.
Yeah, I don't know if that's true or not.
man,
Well,
all
it says
these
right on their
features-
FAQ.
Then I would say, I would assume that
But-
it is then.
They revamped everything, right? Because they changed everything. That may have been an old page that I was on, right? I don't know.
Yeah,
but it was
true.
it was on their site. Maybe they forgot to
But you-
update it. No.
Yeah, but you would think that they would update it.
You would
But
think.
some people
Yeah.
are lazy.
Some people are lazy. Exactly. We got to
all
pull
of
back.
The futures
out.
guys do is they get like 10 accounts, 20 accounts. They go for like $100 move, and then they copy trade it. That's all they do. They only go for like $100 move.
Yeah, I know. I see it all the time, bro.
They make 100, like right now. So I'm up 700, right? When
Yeah.
they go up 100 and they have 10 accounts, obviously they're up 1,000. They would be up. Oh, chat, I'm up 7,000 right now. Blah blah blah. Like it's not hard.
Yeah. I mean, you could do that with one account, but I do see that. At first, I always questioned why people would do that, but now I kind of see why they would.
It's just because you're mitigating the risk across the accounts. But like,
Yeah.
here's the part that like, so they want to be able to basically put big money down without blowing the account, right? Because of the rules. But like, just get better entries though. Like, you know how like these guys, you know, the trades that they take is, you know, like their positions look like this, man. It's so, I see it all the time too. It's so bizarre. Like that's their trade. That looks so weird to me. It looks weird. Like forget about what I think about it. It looks weird. You see that? It's so weird to me.
Yeah, I know. Every time I see their
My trades are like this.
the risk, that's crazy.
Mine are like this. That's more in line for me. This is so weird.
Bro, Gio, you know what's funny? I've seen people on Instagram have negative RR trades.
Hey, boy. Just FYI, Bitcoin is like almost at the high that I didn't think we were going to come back to. Yeah, like this is where I might actually pull those limits and get in manually.
I think you should pull it. 'Cause you never know, man.
It's a big risk, $100,000 risk.
Like instead of trying to fucking, listen. I don't think it's gonna be an SFP. Like we're due for a PO3.
I win this trade and they hit, and if it's just a scam wick, and it actually goes to where I think it's gonna go, I could make like $10 million, bro, or more.
I mean, you assess your risk, you know, like you.
I know. I'm so tempted.
You know best, man. You know best.
No, I know, but I also thought the high could have been in, right? That's why. Anyway, we'll see.
I think that we're very due for a bull trap. And what is a bull trap? A PO3 is a bull trap. I don't think an SFP is gonna be the play personally, but you know. If
Bro,
you think
I snored so bad last night, apparently, that like my throat is like swollen this morning. I don't even know how I did that. I don't even snore. That's weird.
Were you in the hotel?
Yeah. I snored though. I woke up out of a dead sleep at like 7 a.m. and I caught myself snoring and I was like, what? It was the weirdest thing. And then my throat's so swollen, like, oh, you know that dangly thing in the back of your throat, bro? It's like three times the size. Yeah, I call it the dangly thing. Anyway,
It's not like Cardi B.
Yeah, man, that's why your throat is swollen for sure.
What's up, bro? Dow just SFP the low of the local low. It's almost back to the low of the New York session. Holy shit, man! What? Need to make $1,900 and I'm done. I need to be smart with it though. My bird making alarm sounds.
Okay, we're pumping. What is the indicator to see the larger time frame candles? This indicator is called oh, what the fuck? I didn't even see that this was down here. Okay, if you it's called ICT HTF candles. Okay, so what I do is like when I'm entering, I'm on like the 5-second time frame, 10-second, 15-second, whatever, 30-second, and so I can still see the higher candles up here. You know. Anyways, I'm looking to enter here now actually again, but I gotta see more to enter more. Otherwise, I'll just chill with my stop, and if I get break even, then I'll get break even, whatever. I don't care. But yeah, HDF candles, and that's the way that I do it. So most people will do it like the higher time frames. You know, they're on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and then they'll have like the 1 hour and whatever. But I don't really like to do that because I can just go to the 1 hour. First, like the hour is so long, I can see, okay, the hour looks like this, cool, and then I don't need it on in my face 24/7. That's why for me, I just bring it up to 3 minutes max. I don't need, maybe if anything, I'll do 5 minute as well, but I don't need anything higher than that. You could just go look with your eyes. That's my thought anyway. Fuck, I should have TP'd.
Yeah, I did. I'm glad I did. I TP'd the actual top. I didn't think it was gonna be the top though. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, whatever. You know what? We're actually gonna move it in profit. If I get stopped, I get stopped. Where the hell? I can't grab the stop loss thing now.
We get a 10-minute OB on the ES, and we have a If we SFP that high again, bro, I'm shorting. I don't give a shit. 30-minute OB inside of a distribution model 1 on the ES.
On Stella?
Yeah, but look in the 15. You have a distribution on the 15-minute time frame, right? That we just front ran with a 15-minute OB right above us. That could be a very nice short. At 67.47 up to 67.58. I like that zone a lot.
This guy here?
Let me see. I can't see your screen for some reason. Yeah, that's him. No, yeah, but the long, yeah, I'm talking about the short though, up top. Yeah, like I really like that.
I'm just getting both ready.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that zone. And actually, if we hit that zone, Bitcoin's 100% going to take the high. So that could actually pair very nicely with.
Yeah, maybe you get something out of it. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Somebody's home here for sure. Somebody's home. On N Kizzy Cat. If we SFP this low, I might try to scale this thing up.
Wait, how did you get in there on your long? Oh, you were. Yeah,
well,
when
I
did
was
you?
long from lower, and then I added
Oh,
and now it averaged there. Yeah.
Yeah, when did you get in though? What time?
I got in overnight. Like I got in from like way down here.
Well, how come you don't have arrows on yours? Did you turn them off?
Yeah.
Oh, they drive me berserk.
If you right click
Bro,
and then
Phoenix,
go to
I already showed you how to do that. You've turned them off before.
Well, they're back
execution
on.
marks. Right click, go to trading and do execution marks.
Yeah, that's way better. Those arrows they're so hideous. I don't like them.
Boomer Phoenix.
Okay, if we hold here, I will look to enter here again.
Yeah, I'm thinking about a long too, actually. I like the ES though. ES seems to be holding good today versus NQ. See the 1-to-1. The only thing is though, man,
This actually might not be a long yet.
this doesn't hold. It's gonna nuke,
No, we
boys.
gotta close. Yeah, I gotta close one out. I'm
Like,
gonna
here's the
close
problem
one and then
have massive trend line of liquidity. Like
You know what?
the biggest trend line of
oh my
liquidity.
days. All right, I just cut it. I'll go back in if I need to.
Okay, watch
yeah, that
Stella
doesn't-
though. 'Cause now we're coming into the range low demand. Like this is the part where we either hold it in Moon, we're inside 10-minute OB right now, or it's gonna nuke. Like this is it. Like this is the zone. If you're gonna try a long, I mean it's the only zone you have left,
Did we
kind
hit
of thing.
supply here?
Yeah, we hit a 10-minute OB on Stella. I didn't. That's why I TP'd it, but I didn't short there, unfortunately.
Oh, okay. I didn't
Yeah,
see
there's a
that.
hidden OB there. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look like a topping order block though. That's why I was like, eh.
No, it doesn't. But here's the thing. Like, I don't think this is necessarily going to go to 0, but I don't think that
We could take
it's
out that
worth-
low. And
I don't think it's
somebody
worth holding the long either, right?
Yeah, bro, Stella is way lower than NQ right now on that move. If you go to Stella Ella Ola, yeah, I kind of like. I mean, I wouldn't mind. Is that a Yeah, I wouldn't mind an OB mitigation there actually.
Well,
if
we have
came
one right here now too, but I don't really like this one.
Well, I don't either because go to the 1 minute and look at the trend line / curvature of liquidity. All the late longs, like just zoom out. You see all that? I feel like if we swept those guys out, we might get a good long down there if we see something. But is it? I mean, at the same time, I would. Yeah, I'm just gonna be patient. I'll wait for structure. I'm gonna be waiting for structure before I try a trade.
I
Yeah, I
didn't
don't-
see. I didn't see the supply up here. That's the problem. Let's see. I'll look to get in again, but I need to see more.
No, I'm good. I can't. My throat's small. My throat is swollen. I can't.
Oh, ETH just took the high. Interesting.
Well, he's trying to feed me. I'm like, I can't eat. I can't eat that right now. No, I don't have it. So we had like no snow on the ground last night for the first time in like a month and a half, bro. And we had thunder and lightning, and it was crazy. Like it piss poured out. Everything was gone. It was 10 degrees, and I wake up this morning to an ice/snowstorm again.
Yeah, apparently it's gonna snow here soon.
Oh,
Like today.
I'm so over the
I
snow.
know,
Like,
man. I know. Me too, bro.
I was actually getting excited there, bro. I wore shorts for the first time ever like 3 days ago because it was plus 18, and I was like,
I know. That was such a nice day.
I know. I thought that was like, no, I can't. Stop trying to make me fat. Eating food kills gains, okay?
Food is gay.
Yeah. You heard the man. Bro, if they don't run that high on Bitcoin after taking me out of my wicked short, I swear to God, I'm going to nuke it. I'm going to nuke the market.
Bum, 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 bum. All right, ES is in its zone. I really like rolling over. I like ES hitting this block down here, sweeping that liquidity, like you said. And I kind of like NQ taking the low again. I kind of do. Biddy's making a run for the high.
Yeah, I see that. I'm ready to short it. I just needed to do
Just
something.
update the nexus real quick. This is absolutely NNTP. I don't think it's gonna SFP though, but we'll see. NTP on the range. Guys, if you want to join the Nexus, enter nexus.com. Link in the description down below. Number one network on the planet, easy. Nobody's more involved than me. More engaging, more active. Nobody. This might be a long here, bro, honestly. Although I'm not really convinced, but it might be. I kind of have regrets getting out of my long now. I kind of FOMO'd out. But man, being live on YouTube, like, it changes shit.
Bro, here's the thing. I've probably done myself at least 1,000 streams, right? In the last few years, at least bare minimum 1,000. And I come to realize it is what it is. You know, I like helping people. I know you do too. But you know, in all honesty, I probably missed tens of millions of dollars worth of trades. You know, like it's or messed up some too. You know, I found like, I don't know, man. It's streaming. Here's the thing. It's funny because it's like you're in a different like headspace kind of thing. You know what I mean? When you do it that way.
Yeah.
When you trade during that, I mean, during a stream.
Yep.
You gotta, and then you have people watching you, so you can't like, you know.
Well, that's the thing. Like, you can't, you know, for me, I can take trades that for me, I don't mind risking my own money. That's what it all comes down to for me. Like, if it's my own money, I don't care. Right. But now, for example, like, despite, you know, no matter how many times I say I'm not an advisor or don't copy me or whatever, like, people will. Right? If I decide I want to take a YOLO trade like this, hypothetically, you know, that's a very low probability, high risk, but high risk reward trade. And I'm okay risking my money, right? But people will follow me. That's the part that I don't like. That's the part that has me like iffy a little bit, right? Which I kind of want to try this, to be honest. See here, this is a little accumulation right there. I don't see why we need to come back for that. So that would be my invalidation. I'm going to give it a shot when if I see what I like, I'm going to pull the trigger on it. I have a clear as day invalidation. I might do it. These are the trades that I like it's an instant win or an instant loss, you know? Insta win, insta loss. That's what I like. Do I think we can get a blow off top on BTC or an SFP? Wait. Blow off top like to all-time high? No. Do I think that this high is going to SFP? No. I think we're going towards like 70. I think we're going to hang around between 75 and 78. That's what I think. Did I just get stopped out? Oh yeah, I did. Yeah. See, like I'm okay with that, right? Very high risk to reward trade. I'm totally fine with that. Okay, my invalidation is what it is. But if you can't be next to me, your memory is ecstasy. We have SMT right now.
Where?
Stella just took the low. And Nazi did not take the low. It fucking took me out though.
Yeah, I mean, I like my short was I was waiting for higher for a short. They got me there.
No,
man.
I mean a bullish SMT.
Yeah, I know, but I was just saying, like, I could have been done if I had to just take on this account. I could have been done if I. Well, I figured we'd at least hit the value area low. Like we still have a big. Oh well, I screwed up. Yeah, I screwed up my value area. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah, I totally did.
I don't really like this yet.
So I just realized now that we actually did hit the value area low of the big range on the 2-hour time frame, and that's what we're kind of like rejecting from right now on Stella. You go and you if you draw in a value area all the way back from September of last year of 2025. Where the big range kind of began, you can see what they did.
Stellar older.
Yeah.
Put him in a line with a lock.
We had news today. Did we have news?
I think there's FOMC, right?
What, really? On a Friday? You sure?
Well, every news for me is FOMC. I don't know. One of the Nexus guys, Phil, was like, there's FOMC today. I don't know what the news was, but they know that I call every single news FOMC. What was the news today?
Ask Uncle Phil what he thinks. No.
Pretty still moving, huh? Pretty moving, innit? We are so going for those highs, man. We are so going for that high. We are super duper going for the high. Betty T Sizzy. Yeah, man, 5 second. I like swing trading. If we take this low again on NQ, I kind of hope we do. Just like local low.
Well, I was muted by accident. Sorry, say it again.
I said if NQ takes the low again,
Yeah.
I might consider a long.
Bro, I'm so bad for like changing my tab now, like my futures, and I keep accidentally changing my main Bitcoin chart to like everything but Bitcoin, and I have to keep pressing Control Z to find the frigger again. So I'm literally moving it other way now because it's driving me crazy. USD CAD moon, by the way. I think it hit that zone. Yeah, it went up to 137.
Wait, that's good for US dollar or bad for US dollar?
Well, that means that our dollar sunk basically.
I mean, everything I have is in US dollars, so I want USD to go up.
Yeah, me too.
I don't give a fuck about the Canadian dollar. Like, I don't convert shit anyways, you know, then whatever.
Every single time it goes down to like 135, bro, it's like a giga long, bro. It's crazy. Looks like a big accumulation model now on USD CAD on like 8-hour time frame.
US is running this low. Let me post this actually real quick.
DXY to 100K, let's go.
I'm not shorting Bitcoin, bro. Mr. Invalidated. I'm not.
If they don't take that high, it's gonna suck though. They're kind of stupid. Would I put it past them? Not really.
Yeah, I don't know. Even if it doesn't take the high, I'm just gonna look to long more. Like maybe we come back down to here.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't really have anything.
There's no way I'm shorting. The thing is that ETH took its high, but I don't think it's gonna be an SMT this time. I think that Bitcoin is absolutely gonna go for that high.
Bitcoin has a 15-minute order block above the high.
It has a 12-hour block there too. And 70. I've been waiting for that. Was my original target for the short was 75.5. I thought we were going there the first time around, but we didn't hit it.
I think Bitcoin is gonna hit. So we have an anchored VWAP from the 96K high, like from way back yonder.
Yonder.
We have that anchored VWAP right above where we're at right now, like right above that high.
Yeah. I had that before, but I deleted the damn thing. Yeah. Oh, the reason why is because we hit it. We already hit it on HLC divided by 3, and we're actually rejecting on it right now.
No, we hit on USDT, but I'm on USD.
Oh, did you hit it the first time on USD or no?
No, we didn't hit it at all yet.
Okay. Yeah, but are you using the high setting or are you using the HLC divided by 3? The input source.
I'm using HLC divided by 3.
Yeah, okay. So if it's HLC divided by 3. Oh, really? That didn't hit?
No, that didn't get hit yet.
Bro, look at my screen real quick.
Wait, I don't see it. Hold on.
I think I'm sharing, right? Oh, I'm not sharing. I'm an idiot.
No, you're not.
Okay, now I am. Look at that beautifulness.
There you go.
That's why I was so like, see that? That's why I was like, oh, that's great looking. You can't make that up, bro. That hit to the penny.
Yeah, that was good.
Now here's the thing. If I change the input source to high, look what happens. So oftentimes you'll kind of range, like it's usually between those two, but you can deviate them. In fact, the last one, I believe, from way up here, let me just go like this. The last major one that I had, I'm pretty sure it hit on, oh, wait now. Turn all this stuff off so we can see what we're doing. Did we hit that one? I thought we did. Oh, no, it missed.
Okay, Stella's in long zone.
Oh, it came into that OB. Yeah, okay.
Nasdaq is stronger though.
Yeah, they kind of flip-flop often, I find. Like, they literally take turns being stronger throughout the day.
Still 15 seconds. Yeah, we should have won that. Stella bouncing too? Stella missed it. Okay, take the low one more time. If we take the low one more time and close above, I'm gonna go in. Boom, boom. I'll go in that. Up to here. On Stella Ella Oskies. But I kind of rather long NQ though. Did we fall into this breaker now? Let's see. Very important level here. And Stella didn't sweep any of the lows, but Nasdaq did before. So I don't need Nasdaq to take the low. Nazi already took the low. I might start scaling in. Let's try.
Yeah, that's... As long as that holds, I think it's going to push up again.
We'll go in one. We'll see what happens here. I want ES to take the low, and if Nasdaq comes down, I'll add more. I could even absorb this. It's not a big deal.
Which one are you longing, though?
Nasdaq.
Yeah,
Nvidia's pushing up, so that's good. ETH is pushing up, so that's good. See, here's the thing too. Everybody's so used to the correlation between ES and Q, like between futures and crypto, right? Like what's been happening is when crypto pumps, or when futures pumps, crypto goes sideways. When futures is sideways, crypto goes down, and when thing down. I wouldn't even be surprised if we see the inverse of it. Nobody's expecting it. If ES and NQ start tanking and then crypto runs, I swear to God, I wouldn't be surprised. Man, everything that you think would be the case, I always just by nature think the opposite. Like, oh, there's a war? No problem. Short oil. Bearish news? Long it. Whoa. Okay.
The Russell got smoked on that move, bro. Holy shit. Old Russ hit the golden pocket. Actually, it pretty much hit the golden pocket to the dollar. The old G Pizzle guys are winning this one again. It holds.
I think we're good. Oh, we're way good. Oh, I need to tell the Nexus about this. Man, we have been so spot on with USDT dominance. You know, I will say, ever since 96K, when I said we're looking for shorts, and then I shorted it, and then I fumbled. Like, I didn't swing short it, and then I had no trades in between. Ever since then, I haven't missed. Like, I've been right about every single thing. We're in a huge zone, man. Like, nobody understands how like too bearish everybody is. No one really, and guys, this is coming from the perma bear himself. I'm telling you, people are way too bearish. USDT dominance can fall right now. USDT dominance can fall another 12%, 12.5, 13%. Easily, by the way, easy. It can fall another 12.5% without even like me blinking an eye. Like I wouldn't even be like, what the hell? I can already tell you this zone right here is when Bitcoin's going to be at 86K. Guaranteed. Actually, whoa, I already have it written down right here. Approximately 86K. Between this zone, so this one might be 86K and this one might be 90K. And this is for sure 102K. Just based on structure alone, what's your structure? You have low, you have high, you have higher low, you have higher high. We're expecting higher low, higher high. Did you get that yet? No, you didn't. We have had zero relief yet. This is why I've been on Twitter saying, contextually speaking, it makes no sense to go down. Everybody's way too fucking bearish. Everybody's way too bearish. Funding is negative. So by being bearish right now, you are the sheep. You're part of the sheep. Right? But anyway, that's like my overall. That's why I've been so bullish. I think ETH is easily going to 2,800. I think March will be plus 30 to 50% on altcoins. But we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. I haven't been wrong. Context beats all. I don't care what anyone says. Context beats everything. Context beats your favorite indicator. Context beats everything else. It just doesn't make sense to go down. It makes no sense. Once the timeline starts getting bullish again, then you can be worried. All right, we want ES to come and take the low again. What's oil doing? Oil kind of got a distro going on here too. Yeah, this is not gonna stop. There's nothing bearish. Oh, I didn't even see that this mitigation happened. There's definitely nothing bearish. Definitely nothing bearish. There you go. That was your long. I wish the big one that I took was the one that won, but whatever. Fuck it. Easy work. Man, I haven't slept in 3 days.
It's crazy.
I like couldn't even function yesterday, bro. Honestly, like I actually it's been like 3.5 days. I slept a little bit yesterday. Told you to long it, but I fucking erased that shit because I second guessed it. Don't second guess, bro. Stick to your plan always, man. Listen, we're bullish. I'm bullish on all. I'm bullish this month, March and April. When in doubt, long it out. Don't short. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, but unless you're scalping, like if you feel like shorting, you can short oil. This is gonna be a very bullish month. Gonna catch a lot of people off guard. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But listen, hear me out, guys. We've been live. I was on live for the Nexus. We've been live here for an hour now. I haven't slept in a long time, so I think I'm gonna get got. All right, have a great weekend, guys. We didn't get to 100 likes again, which is kind of unfortunate, but we will. One of these days we will. Man, the streams used to be bumping. I used to get 250, sometimes even 300 likes. We'll get it back to that for sure. For sure. Maybe on Monday we will we'll scalp. You guys want to see me like scalp in crypto too? We'll scalp Bitcoin. We'll see how it goes. We won't just do futures. We'll do both. But yeah, let me know. But yeah, I think I'll see you guys next week. I gotta go try to sleep, man. I'm gonna go hit the gym, tire myself out, eat. Here's the thing. I do take creatine every day. I haven't been eating because I haven't. Okay, so I don't get hungry. I get hungry only when I gym. And I haven't been gymming because I've been so tired because I'm not sleeping, and I don't sleep unless I gym. So it's just like an everlasting loop of not eating, not sleeping, not gymming because I'm not eating, sleeping, and gymming. Your boy has health issues, guys. Pray for me. But anyway, I'm gonna go and try to take care of myself. I'm what's the word? Going ghost? Not ghost. Locking out. I'm locking myself out for the weekend. No trades, no Yeah, man, I'm going to bed, bro. I'm going night mode. I'll see you guys later. See you guys Monday. Have a good weekend. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy. And one love, baby. One love. Thank you for coming in.
Set my heart on fire.